How to get bouncy curls.
Okay, so on to styling. I'm grabbing a spray bottle of water, my Denman brush, a curling mousse, and I'll be using a little bit of a curling gel. In sections, I'm going to spray the section with water, use my comb to detangle, apply that curling mousse, and then use my Denman brush to set the curls. So here's a quick tip. If you are holding your Denman brush horizontally and brushing the hair downwards, you're now creating a flip. You want to make sure that you are holding your Denman brush vertically so that you are going along with the spiral direction of the curl and you are defining that curl even further. The best curly texture on the market, period. I am going to use my diffuser just to diffuse the curls. This is going to give me more body and elevation as well as dry the hair. To finish off styling the curls, I'm grabbing a hair polisher and a hair glosser. This is going to make these curls super juicy, defined, beautiful, shiny, and it's also going to make it look like it's wet. So it's going to give it like that glass-like wet look.